Time to play some football. Time to get down and dirty the Jack way, the Bued way. You hear me? Let's go, man. Pregame show, baby. Tune in, baby. First game at the vet, man. This shit crazy out here, man. Can't wait, man. Can't wait. You locked and loaded right now. Locked and loaded, baby.
Mic check. Testing 1, 2.
I believe. Go Tigers.
Put the clamps on them.
I know you're ready.
Game day, baby.
I'm always ready to be ready. We at home, boys. We at home. We at home, Tigers. It's our house. This is our house. Let's go. Get ready to unleash this. Let's cage them Tigers, baby. Here we go. We ready for you all. Calm before the storm. Let's go! Let's go!
I count money better than I spend. Came up from nothing to big to hustle. Yeah, he my dog, but no, I don't trust him. Shit bad because she knows you. She told me she was fine. I got my own island.
Let's go, I'm tall. I'm tall. Sit back and reach.
My office is a trap house in South Memphis.
Open it up. Let's go, Juice. Open it up. Open it up.
Take that. I remember back when I ain't had nothing, so yeah, I'm gonna fall to the end.
We about to put on the show for the city today. We about to tell everybody why we are the best team in the SWAC. We run this thing right here at our house. You come to our house, our backyard. We're gonna show you what it's all about. Go Tigers, I believe.
Paper rough fight.
Let's go, man. Let's do it. Back to the fucking vet, man. feel real disrespected right now. I feel real disrespected right now. I've been hearing a lot of talk that we ain't won a game against them in this house since 1999. You know what? Think about it. I don't get mad. I just get even. I don't get mad. I just get even. Then I depend on you to do your thing. I depend on you to do your thing. Do your job. Hey, listen up. Hey, they ain't got no hood pass in our trap. Hey, step one. You catch your eye, make sure you wear one. Step two, never turn right till you left one. Oh, big ready. Hell yeah.